How to create a free affiliate marketing landing page. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own free affiliate marketing landing page. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So by now you must have known that if you are selling affiliate or you're selling a product or promoting a product, then you need to have a landing page ready. Frankly, quite a lot of websites out there charge you $50, $30, $80 per month. If you are just starting out as an affiliate, it can be quite expensive. So if you find a free website, you would go for it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ConvertKit. Now, ConvertKit is an amazing website where we can just create a landing page for free. So let's go ahead and get started for free by clicking on this button over here. Now, once we do that, all we have to do is simply create an account. We have to enter in the email address and a password, and then just simply click on get started. And once we have done that, they'll ask us a couple of questions. So do you already use an email marketing tool in your business? No, I'm just starting out. And now I'm gonna be assuming that you are a complete beginner, and I'm a complete beginner. So I'm gonna create the video exactly like that, where we don't have a marketing email and we're just starting out. Yeah. Click on continue, and then how big is your audience size on YouTube or followers on Instagram or stuff like that? 1 to 1000. Yeah, click on continue, and then you are the creator type. So what kind of creator are you? What kind of option describes you best as a creator? So click on next, and once you have done that, that is basically it. Now you are ready to go ahead and create a landing page. And over here on the right side, we have a couple of different options. We have basically like a complete list to get subscribers. So we can go ahead and create a landing page by clicking on this button over here, and we can start collecting subscribers by watching this video over here. So we're just going to go ahead and skip this step. Just simply click on create a landing page over here. And once we've done that, as you can see, we have quite a lot of templates to choose from that we can use as our website. So this is a pretty good thing about Toolkit. Extensive library of templates that we can choose from, and all of these are basically affiliate marketing, and we can go ahead and choose them. So over here on the left side, we have filters as well, or some categories. So we have events, links, newsletters, podcasts, product, videos, waitlists, and webinars, and ebooks. So we're going to go ahead and select ebooks, and now all of the templates that we get are related to ebooks. So we can go ahead and do that. So choose whichever website you think is best for you. I think that this is a pretty generic one and it looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and click on preview to preview this website. And over here, wait a couple of seconds, and this is how it will look like. So I think it's pretty good. We have the book over here. We have our newsletter over here that people can subscribe and enter in their email address and download the ebook. Then we have some testimonials over here, what you get, what is it about. So it's all in a different language, but we can go ahead and change that. This template would look pretty good. This template works best for us. So let's go ahead and click on choose. And now we're going to be jumping over to ConvertKit's video editing software. Now over here, as you can see, if I click on any option, it just highlights them and we can go ahead and edit it. So if I click on over here, we can go ahead and edit this text. We can change this text. We can go ahead and change the background over here. As you can see, this is the color. We can change this color as well. We can go ahead and change the book as well. And we can also change these testimonials as well. So we'll go ahead and start by changing the name of this one. So from landing page, we'll just change it to name of the product that we're trying to promote. So let's just say that we have an ebook, okay, that we're trying to promote, which is about affiliate marketing or, business in general. So for an example, I'm just gonna write free ebook. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and write that. Then over here, we'll just go ahead and change the new ebook to free ebook, and then get my free book now to get your free ebook. And then you can go ahead and change this to whatever one you want. Basically, change it to whatever describes your book. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and change this image. Can go ahead and click on edit. We can edit the image as well, like we can add filters and rotate it or crop it however we like. We'll just click on cancel and click on replace so that we can replace the image. Now we can go ahead and get the image from Unsplash or Instagram photos, however one you like, or you can go ahead and upload your own image as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose my own image. So I have the book over here. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. There we go. I think it looks pretty nice, but the background is different. So we're gonna go ahead and change it, or we can go ahead and edit it, in fact. And I'm gonna increase the size of it, or I'm just simply going to, keep it like that actually. Click on done. processing the image, and there we go. Now it's a little bit more better to read. There you go. Let's go ahead and change the color scheme as well. We'll go ahead and choose a greenish color scheme to match our book. So we're green over here, and now we'll just I think this one looks much better, but it's a little bit darker, but it's a little bit on the darker end. There we go. I think this would look pretty nice. Just go ahead and go with that one, and then we can go ahead and change this to your free ebook by entering in the details down below. And over here, people will just simply enter in first name and their email address, and just simply click on download now. And we can go ahead and change this testimonial as well to whatever one you want, and we can also add in what is this book about and stuff like that. And you can find all of this information over onto your affiliate marketing profile, where you are getting your affiliate product. Basically, if you're using ClickBank or any other affiliate marketing tool out there, they'll provide you with all of the information necessary. You can go ahead and copy it and just simply paste it over here. And once you've done that, all you have to do is just simply click on publish. That will basically be it. Now, if I click on the download now button over here, we can go ahead and change it as well. And over here, as you can see, this is the link. Over here, we can add in the link to a new page, which we can create right now. So we'll create a new page. And over here, we'll add a thank you page as well. So as you can see, this is a thank you page for subscribing. We can go ahead and change that. And then we can go ahead, and that is basically linked to this download button. Whenever someone clicks on that button, they'll be taken over to that page as well. They'll be taken over to thank you page for subscribing. And over here, we can upload the image as well. We can go ahead and choose a stock image, or whatever one we want as a thank you, maybe like a thumbs up button, something like that. I think this looks pretty good, so we'll go ahead and choose that. There we go. Look, that looks pretty nice. Yeah. And over here, we can change this to you will receive, and then we can change it to you will receive a confirmation email shortly. Like, it's pretty nice. And then we can add in other things as well, as I said earlier. And once you've done that, all you can do next is just simply check it out, see if you've missed anything. And we should probably change the text of this color as well. So we'll go ahead and change to something else that would pop. So I think the blue would look pretty nice. So there you go. And then we can also other colors as well, but I think they look pretty nice. So we'll just leave it at that. Now that we have everything ready, all we have to do is click on publish, and we can share our website over onto anywhere that we want. And this is going to be our unique website link that people can share or click on to appear onto our website. And basically, that is how you create your very own affiliate marketing landing page. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.